We just watched Wicked and it was fantastic. I have never seen it before and I loved it. I cannot wait till next year and the part 2 comes out. It was very, very good. So now we're gonna go inside Universal and go to the Wicked store. They have a yellow brick road. Yes. The wall is Oz. Oh, Nadia. Her dress. I think this is a replica. They're original costume replicas. They're replicas, so they copied the ones from the movie, but they look exactly like them. Look at her crown. Her wand. Ooh, those earrings. Look how cute that is.
So this was copied.
Yep. They're all replicas.
How did they copy?
Oh, it's her bedroom.
But they copied it.
They did, yes.
Why can't they just have the real
And the hat.
I want the real.
I know.
Okay, I'll do it right now.
There's the green file and the hat. Oh, her glasses. Actually, I really, really love this jacket. Oh, and this is her perfume. And then they have the Funko Pops. Look at the beautiful shoes. Look. Oh, look at those shoes. So this is the one that she was given during her training. And the one we saw at the beginning was the one that she got when she is the Good Witch. That outfit, yeah, that's the one she wore. I bet that fit you. Oh, Madame Morrible. Right? Look at her necklace. That is so pretty. Ophaba's Shiz uniform. Nice shoulder pads and her boots. Because you can see my shoes in the window. Yeah, this is the Grimmery. This is the book.
Is this the real one or copied?
A copy. It's a replica as well. Do you know how to read it?
No.
Me neither.
It's this.
Yeah? How much are they? this is the outfit that Elphaba wears in the Defying Gravity song at the very end of the movie.
I think who you are.
Do the pedals work? They don't. And this is the wizard's outfit. And his cane, his hat. This is also neat. I almost walked away, but I just noticed all of these like strings in the back. This is exactly what they had in the movie behind the big head. And where he was like pretending like he didn't know it was them at first. So that was everything that was behind or in front of that giant head that was speaking, which is this right here. So these was a giant one, giant head. So that was neat. These next few clips are actually taken in the store inside City Walk before you even enter the parks. So just so you know, you don't actually have to go inside Universal if you don't have a park ticket to go inside to get some Wicked merch. You can get some outside as well in City Walk, or I've seen Wicked merch in Target as well. These are hair clips. Yeah. Here. I want to know what this smells like. So forest and jasmine.
What's jasmine?
It's like a flower, perfectly pink. So yeah, I think this one smells like middle notes of jasmine, and this one
I'm gonna wear this.
forest.
In cups. I got it.
Eucalyptus. That's cute. So you have to look for these shapes. And when you see this square, you can touch. This means you're gonna listen to something. Circle, there's gonna be a smell. Triangle, you can play. And a star, taste.
So I think I eat milk.
Yeah, so it's like a big storybook.
What's this?
It's a snowman.
No, but he has a bigger eye.
I don't know. Look at this. It's Earl the Squirrel story. And that's pretty cool.
It's a story.
Yeah, they should sell a book of him
Why did they take it down?
so nobody would take it. Oh, it's like a giant advent calendar.
Is this a square? Is this a square?
Feel? Yeah. So like the circle over there, we did smell. Nadia said it smelled like wood.
No, that's not the circle.
It's not? Are you sure?
No, because there's other ones.
So there's ones all around. So that one maybe smelled like pine trees, but I didn't really smell anything.
That's not it.
Should totally get the sweater with an H on it. Super thick though. Probably itchy.
Oh, there it is.
Now, is that just a plus or no?
No,
Oh, Nadia. Pick me puff.
There's another one.
Yeah.
There's more.
Oh, so maybe it's not the shape, it's the color.
What do you mean?
Because they're all
color?
squares so far. Well, except the green one was a circle. But yeah,
But this is feel.
this is feel. Red.
And the green one. was filled too.
Oh, but the green one was supposed to be smell, right?
No. Oh wait, the bubble. Yeah, so it matters on the color.
So yeah, green is smell.
But yeah, so let's move on to purple.
How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Oh, and it comes with socks. I know. I might have to buy something because I'm pretty cold. We just wanted to wear pink and green. So we have our our summer dresses.
This is the dog school.
Oh, is that Max?
Yeah.
Max's fur. And then there's us. Oh, I love they have dog outfits here.
This is Loco.
Oh, is that what the Grinch feels like? Is he soft? Oh, this is so cute. Look at how cute this little zipper is, Nadia. It's only $10 or 18. Surely it's 18. $18, not 10. These are so cute. I love these hair bows. I think that's what it is. It's missing. Somebody ripped it off. Boo. This is where he's making the feast.
What's going on?
Oh, look, it's showing on the wall. And then look, the leg of the table is books.
And this is a book.
Oh, it is. I didn't even notice that. It is a giant book.
Let's go.
He's sledding down. He did find Universal. His favorite tree was transported to Universal Orlando Resort. He's so excited. What's it smell like?
Wood.
Yeah, I think they've gotten them all ripped off. Oh, look, he's at the peekaboo. Mm-hmm. You can get his book. How much is his book? Oh, that's a really cute story. I like this backpack too. That's super cute. Squirrel.
Feel it. Mommy, you didn't feel it.
I did.
You did?
Yeah. If the winter season could change him in such a fantastic way, what could the other seasons and holidays provide? Just dreaming of all the other seasons. That's cute. I like this too. The sweatshirt. Oh yeah, these are all the people and their ornaments.
I want one of these.
That is cute. We can make these probably at home, you know, and just paint them like you've done that before. Does it smell?
Yeah.
What does it smell like? Wood.
No. Like chocolate.
So we just looked at all the nutcrackers in here. They're so cute. And then they have like gingerbread ornaments and then Santa. Big one. Yeah. Oh, these are so cute. These elves here. Santa. Oh, they have these with glow. That's cute.
And Grinch. The good Grinch.
The good one.
But my
Oh,
name
do you
is
smell?
Grinch.
Smells like pine.
Hello, you live also. Hi. Hello. Hi.
You didn't see it.
He's making a list and checking it twice, 2 times. Gonna find out who's naughty and naughty. Santa Claus is coming to Madagascar! I love the holidays. Parties, people, presents, perfection!
Happy New Year.
What a day! I mean, just really, I cannot tell you.
We had a great time at Universal. We went through the Wicked experience at the store. They had so many things for sale from the movie, and the replicas of all the outfits were amazing. And there were some of the same merchandise that was in the Wicked store inside Universal Studios that were outside in City Walk, the stores as well. Most of the things, not every single item was there though, but a lot of them were there. They even had some really cute dolls that were of the characters in the movie that were adorable. I believe they were $60 each though, so a little pricey, but they were all so cute. Afterwards, we saw the Christmas tribute store, which was themed to a book. It was really neat walking through the different stories, especially Earl the Squirrel. We loved that. And then we saw the parade outside. It was really, really neat to see all of the hot air balloons flying by. And we just had a great time at Universal. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And now it's your family time. Bye.